Hello everyone, and welcome to the third video of how to analyze stocks on Sharply. And in this video, we will focus on the fundamentals section. Now, again, this section is divided into five parts, and the first one is ratio and statistics. In this part, we provide ratios and statistics of three key factors: value, quality, and financial health. So, valuation parameters are provided on monthly basis, as you can see here, and you can see how valuation multiples and yields have changed over time. Second one is quality. So here we provide capital efficiency and margins data, and it is provided on the annual basis. The third one is the financial health, where we provide liquidity ratios and solvency ratios. And in all these three factors, you can generate the historical value, the graph of historical value by just clicking on this icon. So as you can see, you can see how the price to earning have has moved over time as the company was in loss in this period. P is zero. For quality, you can again generate bar chart of how ROE has moved or how net profit margin has moved and so on. The second part of fundamentals is the financial statements. Here we provide the details of all three financial statements, including P&L, balance sheet, and cash flow. Now, P&L is provided on annual and quarterly basis. Other two are on the annual basis. So again, what you can do here is you can see the actual values here, and if you want to see how this number have grown or degrown over time, you can just click on this growth button, and here you will be able to see how the values have moved over time. Again, you can generate the bar chart here and see how the trend has been of the net revenue over time. Same goes for the balance sheet and cash flow statements. Like in balance sheet, you can see total assets, total liabilities, total equity, and you can toggle to actual values. And then you can see how total liabilities have moved and how a particular part of a total liability, like how long-term debt has changed. So long-term debt has increased significantly in the last 3 years. The third section is the segment analysis section, and here we provide data in two types. First is the snapshot. It is on a particular date. So is the this is on March 31st, 2023. Like how sales, operating income, assets, and capex is distributed among the business segments. We also have the regional data that we can see, like India is contributing to about 67% in the sales. Africa is at 30%. And you can also change the snapshot time period. Like if I want to see how the distribution was on March 2018, then I can see India used to contribute very high in 2018. And then we also show the historical data. So here you can see the trends of historical data of sales, assets, operating income, and capex. And we also provide them in tabular form, so the table will also change. And now you can analyze how a particular business segment have performed over time. We also have the regional data of sales, of assets. So you can see how sales have been across different regions over a period of time. The next section includes the dividend details. So here we provide three key data points: dividend per share, dividend payout ratio, and dividend yield. And the same data is shown in the table here. So you can see how the dividend trend has been of the company and how it has moved over time. And the last section is of the corporate actions. So here you can see the company has, so we basically provide corporate actions in four parts, like dividend payments, bonus, rights, and split. So as you can see, the latest dividend was on 16th May 2023. Announcement date was this, next date was this, record date was 11th August, and the dividend value of 4 rupees per share. Now, there are no bonus details. The company has done two rights issue in 2019 and 21. There was one split on in 2009. So this fundamental section basically provides all the details that you need to do the fundamental analysis of the company. We just do not provide the raw financial data like financial statements. You can see all the key metrics of different factors that are just a glance away. So we hope this video will be useful and you will be able to analyze the company fundamentally using Sharpley's tools.